Okay, so what we want to do is actually to create, to bulk create articles, right? So we don't have to go through and do that each one step by step. Okay, so you need to just go to your accounts, go down to integrations here and WordPress, right? So you just put in your name here, Voice Agent HQ, and then put in the WordPress username and the application password. So let's see how to do that now. So in the back of your WordPress here, you just go to users, right? And Connor is here, right? So you need to do it with the capital letter like it is there, the capital C, right? And then you just need to do an application password here. So you just need to name your password and then it will come up your password and then you just need to copy it in here. And then you will be able to add your account and you'll be integrated into WordPress. So when you have that step done, then you'll want to go to Koala Writer and Bulk Writer. Okay, you're just now in bulk mode basically, and you just go through the same steps as before, but in this case we have the target keyword, right? So all you need to do then is just copy in all of your articles, right, that you want to do, and just copy them in like that, and then it will generate them all. Okay, so each single one will be done for you when you click this bulk create. Okay, obviously that's going to take more credit. I still recommend using 3.5 Sonnet, right? But definitely, test it out first with one article, see if you like it, and then put your integrated account here, right? And then you will get all the articles and then you can just edit them. So I've actually already done this step and I've been publishing for the last few weeks and months. So yeah, I've published 30 articles and I've got 40 in draft. So that's a bit of a step towards my goal of getting to 100 articles, right? So that's what I'm doing to get the first 70 articles onto my website.